Hello beautiful people, Alex here, welcome back to my YouTube channel and a warm welcome to the new 2021. I know 2020 has been a tough year for many of us, including myself. It feels like it's been January, February, March, Madame Rona and December. Needless to say, I wish you all a happy new year and let's just start right in the video. In today's video, I'm bringing you back our lovely model Anna and I'm doing a pink makeup look on her beautiful face. And also I will be showing you the mistakes that I have done throughout this makeup application and how easy they are to be fixed. So if you would like to learn how we created this gorgeous makeup look on our beautiful model Anna, then keep on watching. Alright, in this tutorial I'll start from the eyes using the Jeffree Star Cosmetic concealer in the shade C6 and I will be using the Morphe X James Charles eye brush set. I'm applying and setting the concealer onto her lids to work as an eyeshadow base, because I will be using a highly pigmented eyeshadow palette and I do not want to have any fallouts that might occur under her eye. In this tutorial I'm using the Bloodlust palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics and the first shade, which is going to be my transition shade, is Royal Pain. This palette has pressed pigments, which I'll be using in this tutorial. Pink and purple pigments can easily stain the lid, hence I'm using concealer as a base to protect the skin. Next I will be sketching an eyeliner with the shade High King and I will go on top of it with the shade Blood Queen. Once the deeper shades are applied, I will use my finger to lay the shade Pink Magic in the center of the lid. Cleaning out the fallouts and deepening out the outer corner with the Blood Queen shade. I'm cleaning out the skin with a makeup wipe and I will continue with the skincare. I'm using the Ordinary 100% plant derived hemisqualane onto her face. For foundation, I'm using the Catrice Cosmetics HD Liquid Coverage Foundation in the shade Light Beige. It always gives me anxiety when I do eyes first in a makeup tutorial, because it takes a bit of time until I see that the look is pulling through. So I told Anna to fill up her waterline before I move in with the concealer. I'm using the Magic Star Concealer in the shade C6 under her eyes, on her forehead and on her chin as well. For a contour, I'm taking the NYX Wonder Stick in the shade Light, and I will be applying it on the perimeter of her face, on her forehead, on her cheekbones, and on her jawline as well. Once the concealer is blended, I'm going to proceed by blending the contour onto her face. Once the concealer and the contour are perfectly blended, I'm going to take the Laura Mercier translucent powder and I'm going to set the concealer in place. Now in this footage over here you can see how it looks like when we are just setting the concealer. And here we are baking, meaning we are applying more of the translucent powder. With the Hula Bronzer by Benefit Cosmetics, I'm going to warm up her face and I'm going to apply this bronzer on the same place where I applied the NYX contour. I'm dusting off the excess of the baking powder and I'm going to proceed by blending the same shades from the lid under her eyes as well. Now here I noticed that I'm not happy with the color scheme, so what I did is I took the shade Dungeon from the Bloodlust palette and I applied it on the outer corner of her eye to get even that more smoky eyes. And here I realized I'm still not happy with the depth of the colors, so I am applying a black eyeliner. And finally, I'm happy. I'm using the Power Lashes in style 13 by Aura. Even though they might look slightly dramatic, here you can see that they actually look very natural, giving your eye that sultry look. To line the lips, I'm using the Golden Rose Dream Lips lip liner in the shade 518. I really love these lip liners because they are a very good dupe for the MAC lip liners and extremely affordable. To fill up the lips, I'm using the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Velour Liquid Lipstick in the shade Mannequin. To make her lips glossy, I'm using the Fashion Punch Lip Gloss by MAC Cosmetics. To set the makeup in place, I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, and this is how we transformed our naturally beautiful girl into a pink glam bombshell. Enjoy! And there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. Until I see you in my next one. Bye! Bye!